Slide 1. Notification Overview. Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, IBPS, has released the notification for CRPSPL 15. This is the common recruitment process for specialist officer posts in participating public sector banks for the vacancies of the year 2026 to 27. The recruitment will be held in 3 phases: preliminary examination, main examination, and interview. The posts include IT officer, agricultural field officer, Rajbhasha Adhikari, law officer, HR or personnel officer, and marketing officer. Candidates provisionally allotted under this recruitment will be posted anywhere across India. The official website for all details is www.ibps.in. Slide 2. Total vacancies. The total indicative vacancies have been announced for 2 posts. For agricultural field officer, there are 310 vacancies, with 150 in Punjab National Bank, 80 in Bank of Maharashtra, and 80 in Indian Overseas Bank. For HR or personnel officer, 10 vacancies have been reported, all by Bank of Baroda. For other posts like IT officer, Rajbhasha Adhikari, law officer, and marketing officer, vacancies are yet to be reported by the banks. Please note that all vacancies are tentative and subject to change. Slide 3. Application fee. The application fee is structured as follows. For SC, ST, and PWBD candidates, the fee is 175 rupees. For all other categories, the fee is 850 rupees. The amount includes GST. Candidates must pay the fee online, and all bank charges will be borne by the applicant. Slide 4. Important dates. The online application window is open from July 1 to July 21, 2025. The preliminary examination will be held in August. Its result will be announced in September. The main examination is scheduled for November. Interview rounds will be held in December or January. Provisional allotments will be announced in January or February 2026. Slide 5. Age limit. The minimum age to apply is 20 years and the maximum age is 30 years, as on July 1, 2025. Candidates must have been born between 2nd July, 1995 and 1st July, 2005. Relaxation in upper age limit is applicable: 5 years for SC and ST, 3 years for OBC non-creamy layer, 10 years for PWBD, and 5 years for eligible ex-servicemen. Slide 6. Educational qualification. The educational qualifications vary by post. Officers must have a degree in engineering or a postgraduate qualification in IT, electronics, or computer science. Agricultural field officers should hold a 4-year graduation in agriculture or allied fields. Rajbhasha Adhikari must hold a postgraduate degree in Hindi with English, or Sanskrit with both Hindi and English. Law officers must have an LLB degree and be enrolled with the Bar Council. HR officers need a graduate degree and a full-time postgraduate qualification in HR or labor law. Marketing officers must have a graduate degree and an MBA or PGDM in marketing. Candidates for all posts, except IT officer, must have computer knowledge or certification.